Students, class 8th science, and today's our topic role the government of conserving biodiversity. Involvement of government is vital preservation of biodiversity, implementing law and taking timely measure to protect the living organism and habitat too important. However, it is not enough just have laws. There must also be will until resources enforce them. Many kind of animals do not remain restricted in particular country or regions. Large number of migratory and marine animals travel across many land oceans that are not owned by any particular country. तो बहुत सारे एनिमल्स चाहे बर्ड्स हैं चाहे फिर वो मैरिन एनिमल्स हैं वो एक पर्टिकुलर रीजन में नहीं रहते हैं, वो माइग्रेट करते रहते हैं. ऑल द सच एनिमल्स शुड बी प्रोटेक्टेड बाय इंटरनेशनल लॉ और सभी एनिमल्स को प्रोटेक्ट किया जाता है. बायोडाइवर्सिटी कंजर्वेशन is therefore the international problem requiring to international solution. Every nation must have effective step to protect wildlife. An international agreement known as CITES, Conservation of International Trade in Endangered Species, came into effect in 1975. CITES agreement limiting trade to the endangered species. CITES prohibited commercial trade in endangered plant and animals. In 1992, 156 nations signed to agreement. CITES and Biodiversity of United Nations Conference of Environment and Development, the Earth Summit in Rio de Janeiro. Rio de Janeiro में साइट्स पर 156 नेशन ने साइन किया और एग्री किया कि मतलब हम सभी मिलकर इस पृथ्वी पर जितने भी एनिमल्स हैं उनकी रक्षा करेंगे या उनको बचाएंगे. Did you know the Worldwide Fund for Nature is the organization founded in 1961 by Sir Peter Scott, in eminent naturalist. It is highly effective to publishing the plight of endangered species worldwide. Worldwide Fund of Nature also plays a large role in raising fund towards projects concerned with saving wildlife in various parts of globe. Thank you, student.